Hello and thanks for checking out the Guaranty RV YouTube channel. My name is Sean and today we're going to look at a 224 BH Jay Flight by Jayco. Now as soon as you walk in, over here to your left you're going to see a nice little kitchen with a 3-burner stove top, oven, microwave. You're going to have a refrigerator with both refrigeration and a freezer. In the rear you're going to have 2 large bunks, accommodate at least 4 people in there. Next to that, you're going to have your nice big bathroom, all in one. Booth, large windows for views. You're going to see some great features like automatic awning, Bluetooth outdoor speakers, an outdoor kitchen. You're going to have black tank flush system back here, an outdoor shower. Thanks again for looking at this 2021 Jayco Jay Flight 224 BH. I'm Sean. This is Guaranty RV. Hope to hear from you soon.